Namaste, how are you guys?
Hello everyone.
I am finally filming a video I wanted to film since so long. I'm doing a mukbang and I have so many things.
Only to eat. This
Yes.
is only to
Also, by the way, if you don't know, she's Gautami. She's my friend and she's also a YouTuber. If you don't know, I'll just link the channel below. It's called SlayyPoint. We met at the Women's in Space.
Women in Comedy.
Women in Comedy program. Wow, my memory is so strong. So we met there and we just became so good friends. We have a lot of things here from vada pav, pav bhaji. It's all Indian snacks. So I have masala pav bhajia, moong dal, dal kachori, khasta kachori, Frankie, sandwich.
Lots of sweet.
And this,
Jeera soda.
yeah,
Essential.
it's not Coke, it's jeera soda.
We'll try not to choke on it.
Also, there's like a plate full of sweets, so my eyes are there.
Trigger warning if anybody's triggered by people talking while eating.
Oh yeah, please.
So
We'll just
on
eat,
my
yeah,
channel I have a video about mukbang. So mukbang, the concept actually means that so people, they're very lonely and
Yeah.
they're shy to eat with others. So
okay.
you don't want to be alone. So you just switch on the camera while eating. You don't really talk.
Okay.
So,
it
but
just doesn't
we are
feel
gonna talk a
yeah,
lot.
because
And we're not gonna make
it will be interactive,
annoying
guys.
mouth sounds.
Yeah, we'll try our
Try not
best. Anyway, now we should just get started with this video. What do you want to eat first?
Let's start with the easy stuff. Bhajia.
Bhajias. Oh my god, I love moong dal, moong pakoda. Yeah, I'm gonna dip it in
Kanda
the
bhajia is bhajia.
sweet chutney.
I'm more of a spicy chutney.
So good. By the way, this dal kachori is like super soggy
Raj
now.
kachori.
Raj, okay. I am so bad with all this. Oh my god, this is hard. I thought it's soggy. Oh shit. There's like stuffing inside.
Yeah, that's why the Raj kachori.
Is it really
Cake
hard?
cutting. You have that bite. They'll make a gif of us opening our mouths pura. I love food gif.
Please do it. I would love to have my gif. Oh god. Not a great combo. Oh, there's khandvi.
Khandvi.
Gujarati khandvi.
Better to eat khandvi than samosa. I'm a Maharashtrian, so
Yeah.
mine is
You have
this.
kanda bhaji.
I like it.
I
I like this
love
more than
khandvi.
dhokla.
Yeah, me too. No offense. Oh my god, patra.
You like spicy stuff more or sweet?
Depends. When did you start your channel?
It's been 2 years, more than 2 years.
They are so young and achieving so much. How many subscribers do you have now?
4,26,000 doesn't matter. Same.
Wow.
420.
And I have like 90,000. Just crossed 90,000 today.
Good, yeah.
Proud of it.
100K very soon.
I
Very,
hope,
very
yeah.
soon.
Slay fam, if you're watching this,
Yeah,
if you're
I
watching me
bet
for the
Slay
first
fam
time,
will watch it.
so please subscribe. I just had milk since morning and I'm full already.
I had sabudana.
Kanda bhaji is the best. वो भी monsoon, it's not raining right now.
It's not. आज
Yeah.
उल्टा एक बार भी बारिश नहीं हुई ना सुबह से.
I uploaded a story and I asked people if they would like to see something like that, and a lot of people voted for yes. So I was like, okay, let's give this a try. And she
I
was the one.
happened to reply like,
Yeah.
"Yes, food is good."
So I was like calling her, and then I'm like, are you interested really? She's like, totally.
Eating, like, who doesn't want to
I
eat?
know, right? Guess I'll eat Frankie first because that's the most disgusting part about this whole entire food spread.
Disgusting.
It's so oily. I hate eating like oily food.
And it's kind of become limp now.
Oh, it smells so spicy. It
Shezwan
looks also spicy. Yeah, it's Shezwan one. Shezwan paneer, I guess. Yeah.
I love spice.
It's very oily. Like, look at my hands. It's so chip-chipu.
I'm eating that kachori right now.
I'm not liking the Frankie. Oh my god.
It's just started.
I am someone who doesn't eat a lot, but I'll eat a lot of meals, but small meals.
Mine is totally ulta. If I'm at a restaurant or any place, in fact, if everyone's done eating, everyone's going, everyone's looking at me, iska ho nahi raha, I'll still eat jab tak mera peet bhara hai. I'm usually the last one to finish.
I don't know how long this will take. We're eating so slow.
think we should have a plan. Like pav bhaji, एक pav khatam karte hain.
हाँ.
We'll move to something.
Yes, let's
We'll
do that.
something.
Okay, so we're having cold pav bhaji, which is like the worst thing to have.
But if it tastes good,
Oh, don't eat with two hands. What are you doing? I can already see my dad commenting that.
classic pav bhaji.
Yeah.
There's no wow factor, but there's no like cheap. It's good.
Okay, let's quick hurry.
Prepare. हाँ धीरे खाएंगे ना नहीं खत्म होगा.
I know. Thumbs up this video if you love anything from this, and comment down below what is that thing that you love.
And if you don't subscribe, you won't get this food for a month. This is our course.
It sounds like one of those if you don't forward this message. Oh god. I think I'll just eat beach mein dahi vada because it looks so yummy. I love dahi vada. Kali 14.
What is that? I don't
So
know.
it's a day before Diwali and सबके घर पे दही वड़ा होता है क्योंकि वड़ा से they एक नजर उतारते हैं and फिर दूसरा वड़ा वो सेम वड़ा नहीं खाते दूसरा वड़ा खाते हैं दही के साथ. It's so good. It's perfect. There's this masala pav. This is also very similar to pav bhaji, and you can see how cold it is right now. Like from the screen only, you can feel the coldness of this dish. Oh my god, I think I'll puke. Oh god. I can finish this for sure. I have the habit of drinking a lot of water when I eat. I never overeat.
Never over.
मतलब जितना खाया जाता है मैं उतना ही खाती हूँ ज़्यादा नहीं खाती हूँ फिर. And if
Even
I
if it's
feel
something
like
you really like.
yeah, like even if you put like a box full of pizza here, which are like my favorite, I won't overeat. Sorry. Okay, time for sandwich. Bhari hai. Matlab, this is like grilled sandwich and it's like the biggest sandwich that you can get. Not biggest.
Not
Then,
bigger
yeah.
than my hand, but it's like
It's like the
almost
size of my
hand
face.
size. 3 layers of bread.
Ready?
I'm like coping with the fact that मुझे इतना बड़ा मुंह खोला पड़ेगा and have this.
I'm so used to it, I feel like, because met by people.
No, I've eaten such sandwiches before.
No, but we used to eat like almost every day.
Cheers. Whoa. Oh.
It's good.
This thing is doable even if it's cold.
It's cheese sandwich, so it's double heavy. Yes, we are done with this. Clear the table so that it doesn't look like there's like a lot of food to finish. I'm sorry guys, I'm not eating this Frankie because honestly I don't want to fall sick and I know
I'll
you...
taste it.
Oh yeah,
Let's
you
see
can.
How I will do it for the video.
I ate that.
No. No!
Sorry guys, we'll just skip the Frankie. This is the tissue paper. Like it's too
There is
tissue.
something about it.
It's the oil. It's the freaking oil. Like just zoom in here.
Nahi yaar, other than that there is some taste also.
Go ahead and finish our vada pav and samosa pav.
It's like
There's this chutney and lasan. Ew!
this whole mukbang is like ये नहीं अच्छा लगा ये ठंडा है ew.
No, but this smells weird. Just smell यहाँ पे.
खराब हो गया वैसे.
Yeah, na? I'm not eating that. The chutney has...
मीठा and तीखा चटनी सब
Yeah,
साथ में
mix
डाल
हो
के
गया है.
कुछ smell आ रहा होगा. We really wanted to eat that. It's not like we're trying
Yeah.
to cheat you.
We
guys.
are eating
We
the
really wanted
vada
to
and
eat it.
samosa. We are trying our best to finish it.
How many hours have passed?
I'll have a refill. You want?
No, I haven't.
I guess it's in the fridge. Can you go? You can't? Is it outside only?
Yeah.
That's the best part of samosa.
Good. It's a really good cover also.
I'm slouching so much in this video, it's not even funny. I'm like sweating, and if I overeat, I sweat. I know that. क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं ये अपने साथ? The thing is, I'm also PMSing, so it's like I can't do this. No.
You don't know what exactly is happening in your body.
Exactly. I'm
10
so
painful minutes.
for worst burp. Also, I don't know why it's considered bad burping in public. Like,
As
it's
long
just a
as
sign.
You don't do that. Move back.
Oh, no. I mean, I know people who like especially burp loud. Like, ऐसे लोगों को बताने के लिए like, oh, करके. I still haven't eaten the dabeli. I don't think I'll eat that also. So like, Frankie, masala pav and dabeli.
Yeah, these are the things we probably abandoned. Maybe अब सौगी भूलते हैं.
I mean, मैं कॉलेज में जाती थी तो मैं सिर्फ एक मसाला पाव मंगवाती थी और बस हो गया मेरे को खत्म. And यहाँ पे मैं इतना सारा खा रही हूँ, so my body is not used to it, obviously. Okay, since I'm declaring this as failed mukbang, I think I'm not gonna finish anything now. It's been an hour already, dude. I never had so much to eat. It's like a bhog, you know, like chappan bhog. Oh, let's go to sweets now. Like, forget all this. You wanna have rasgulla, gulab jamun, or both?
Do half.
Okay. So good.
Actual good.
Because we ordered things from a sweet shop. Okay, so we have rasgulla. We ate gulab jamun. Then we have motichur ke laddu. Mohantal, I guess this is mohantal.
What is mohantal?
Mohantal is made out of besan, I guess. And then we have mawa barfi. This is mawa barfi. Then we have mathura peda and malai cake.
Oh, this is. We were thinking it's kaju katli the whole time.
I love gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun or rasgulla, which is food coma.
But rasgulla ऐसे खाते ना?
हाँ.
ऐसे करके.
You're the type of person who likes chashni or doesn't like. I squeeze out most of it.
No, I like it.
Masala pav bhi chal raha hai mera. On and off.
I'm really excited to try the mathura peda.
Me too.
I think I'm gonna love this a lot.
I love all types.
Oh god, it smells so good. It smells like lychee. Like
very strong smell of elaichi.
It's like melting in your mouth. Motichur ke laddu are my favoritist. I really wanna eat that.
अभी मेरा भी वो point आ रहा है कि हो गया. Body is telling me that it's okay if you stop now.
It's better to stop now than fall sick and not make other videos. You wanna taste the malai barfi? Maybe we can eat half of that.
All of small.
Yeah, maybe half of this. Half of half. Oh my god, I love this. It's like milk in a solid form with a silver.
Milk made thing.
Oh yeah.
It's like that.
Oh yeah. It's called condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
You wanna try the mohantal? Like mohantal are not that sweet.
Because I've never had it before.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's like ghee.
Ghee, yeah.
Ghee.
So we have this during winters, I guess, mostly. Because like ghee is good during winters. Yeah. I'm done.
Should.
And let's not insult motichur ke laddu, and I'll just eat like prasad. Okay, so I think that's it. We failed, but then I would love to do this again. Maybe more planned.
Be more prepared and more planned.
Yeah,
for sure. We really did not think this.
I know, right? I thought I'll finish everything. Like in my head, I was so prepared for it.
The entire day we were chatting back and forth. ये ले नहीं वो लेते हैं नहीं वो लेते हैं, and then we cancelled, and then फिर ये लेते हैं फिर वो लेते हैं.
So that's it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I know we failed, but it was fun watching, right?
And if you don't subscribe, you remember what will happen to you. But anyway, like, make sure to give it a like if you even just liked enjoying laughing with us and seeing us fail. It was fun.
This was fun. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thank you for ordering all this food.
Because I don't think anyone else will eat so much junk along with me.
All health conscious.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, all tea, all shade.
My cheeks hurt and my hands are super greasy, so I'll just go now.
But yeah, anyway, if you are not done laughing, then you can come to my channel because you do comedy stuff and
plug.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys in my next video now. If I'm okay, pray for me.
She will be. Okay. अभी hygiene ऐसा सब.
हाँ, मैं तो 10 हाजमोला खा रही हूँ एक साथ.
Doctor पूछेगा why is your stomach paining? Like mukbang.
Okay, that's it, guys. I think I'll just go now.